Hey there, Katie here from Sherwood Park Dodge. I'm in front of a 2020 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk Elite. This vehicle comes with all of the safety features you could think of. It comes with sensors on the front and the back. It has your blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, advanced keyless entry, and of course all your nice features like heated seats, heated steering wheel, panoramic sunroof. Take a look at the back seat. It has that beautiful red stitching in the back, and this vehicle also comes with a nice surprise of the tow package with hitch and wiring. For more information on this vehicle and possibilities of getting cash back for this season, please call me at 780